Erica here from ericacarrico.com. I will help you to discover your life purpose, turn it into a soul-aligned business, and then bring that business to 6 figures and beyond so you can earn a living doing what you absolutely love while having the impact that you're destined to have. So I want to talk today about a very simple marketing strategy that you can implement in your business. This has been coming up a lot for my clients and the women in my mastermind group this week, so I thought that it might be coming up for you as well. Most new entrepreneurs, or even entrepreneurs who are earning less than 6 figures, do not have a consistent marketing strategy or a marketing plan in their business that they are implementing. Now, what happens when you do not have a marketing plan that you're implementing, where you're not consistently showing up, is that you do not have consistent leads, which means you do not have consistent discovery calls, which means you do not have consistent clients, which means you will not have consistent income. So you may be at the point in your business where you're getting a few clients here and there and you're like, oh, how can I, now what do I do next month? Or what do I do the month after that? I have no idea. And you're kind of just flying by the seat of your pants. And I know this because that's exactly how I was running my business in my first year, probably even almost into my second year. And once I implemented this marketing strategy, my business went from $20,000 a year my first year to over 6 figures in my second year. And now I'm earning consistent 30K months also by following this simple marketing plan. So what does a marketing plan actually look like? See, check out Colorado, isn't it so pretty? I'll stand here so you can see more of the view. So what does a consistent marketing plan actually look like? Here is the one that I follow, and here is what I have my clients actually do as well. You want to implement something that is happening. Okay, just making sure that wasn't a fire ant crawling up my leg. You want to make sure that you have a weekly, a monthly, and a quarterly plan, okay? So this can be really simple. This does not mean you have to do 25,000 different things. Let's keep this as simple as we can. I want you to choose something weekly to do. So this could be a weekly video. This could be a weekly Facebook Live. This could be a weekly blog post, although it's not as powerful. This could be a weekly getting published on a guest posting platform like Tiny Buddha, Mind Body Green, Elephant Journal, something like that. You need something weekly happening. Now, let's say, for example, I'm gonna take a weekly video because I shoot videos. Weekly video is shot. You then repurpose this video all the places, okay? So this can go on Instagram, this can go on Facebook, this can go on LinkedIn. This video goes out to your newsletter. This video becomes part of your blog. This video also is repurposed into social media posts. So you're shooting one piece of content each week, or you're coming up with one piece of main content each week, and that is your weekly showing up, okay? Then I want you to implement something monthly. For me, this is either monthly workshops or monthly online masterclasses. If you can do these, which I call external marketing, twice a month, then you get super extra credit and you can actually grow your business much faster. So monthly, what does that look like? That could be, like I said, monthly workshops, monthly online masterclasses, something where you're bringing in outside leads to your business, and those people then consume your weekly content, okay? Then, and this is not if you're in your first year, this is once you have your weekly and your monthly, you're probably earning maybe consistent $2,500 a month, or you've got a consistent income coming in from your weekly and your monthly content. So then what we do is we implement quarterly launches. A launch is where you are essentially doing a main activity like a challenge, or it could be a little series of master classes or whatever, but this goes over the period of about 21 days. You've probably seen me launch, where I'll hold a 3-day challenge and I'm promoting the challenge, and then it's cart open for a program, right? So these quarterly launches are a great way to bring in a ton of new leads at once, which then consume your monthly and your weekly content and then turn into paid clients. And it also brings in a large chunk of income for you in that quarter as well. Okay, so this is very simple marketing plan. It works. I've built my business to 30K months using this. I teach my clients to do the same thing. This works for you whether you're just starting out or you have been earning money in your business for a little while and now you're ready to grow and scale to that 6 figures and beyond. Weekly, monthly, and quarterly. If you'd like help implementing this into your business, again, no matter what stage you're at, I would love to help you do that. The first step is booking a call with me, and let's just see if we're the right fit to work together. I'll say farewell. I'm gonna go hike and spend the day on the river, because when you have your own business, you can do things like this. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.